What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry I haven't been posting anything last week. I've been doing a lot of stuff, getting a lot of stuff done. Also, we're saving money to go ahead and start getting ready for a move. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and this is one of the reasons why I haven't really posted, once a week or if not twice a week. But I am expecting something coming in soon. I've been waiting actually for almost 2 weeks. I think about to go on 2.5 weeks. I don't know what's going on, but I'm excited. Once it gets in, I'll be really happy. But for the most part, it is something new, another install. For y'all, for the people that follow me on Instagram, y'all seen that I posted a picture of my pressure plate and clutch. I'm going to be getting that done here in the next few weeks. I'm very excited about it. Ready to get this bad boy installed. And I'm debating between the next thing is, well, I don't know. There's a lot of stuff going on in my mind. I don't know what I want to do next, or what is the next thing I want to go ahead and, basically, what is the next thing I want to go ahead and do. I'm still undecided. I'm still trying to stick within the routine. I know I really do need to get alignment done, but then again, I kind of want to wait it off till I finish doing my upgrades on my suspension system. But yeah, so I'm about to head to the store. I'm gonna get ready to get stuff to cook, but I'm just so ready for all this to be done and get it installed. Let me know in the description what is basically the first mod that you did when you got your first car, or 370Z or 350Z, or any car in general. What was the first mod that you actually did? And yeah, leave that comment down below. Go ahead and get started. Well, not really supposed to be driving without my seatbelt. Whoops. Finally made it, and I got my mask on. I can make sure I get ready, so I'm gonna walk in. I won't get kicked out. Ain't that awesome? Alright, finally got everything I needed. Your boy needs gas. It is hot. I want to run the AC, but again, I like when the windows are down. Boy needs your gas. Alright, everybody, today's another day, and I got something in my beard. Anyways, I have something installing today. I'm going to be installing this, which this is the underglow. I will be installing it into my Z. I was hesitant about it for a while, and I went ahead and made my decision. It's like, you know what, I could always remove it. Let's see what my car looks like. There is still something else, something big coming through the mail. I'm still waiting, and it's like dragging it out. I'm like getting impatient, but I guess I got this for now to at least keep me occupied. I have something to do. Let's go ahead and get started. So far, I got the whole side on the driver's side, and then I went ahead and put under the front bumper. Well, not the bumper, but I put it underneath on the aluminum undershroud on the front. And the last one is doing the passenger side and the rear. I will show you where I set it up and where it's going to be set up at. Okay, so as you see, the aluminum undershroud, I have it set up right here. I use acetone to kind of clean it off, and then peel the 3M tape and stick it right on there. So I have it underneath here. This is where it ends off at, and I don't know if I'm gonna run the cord, bend it back that way, and come back up. Because right here, well, on the inside right here, on this part right here, there's a little part that broke, so I can't really screw a hole there to hold it in place. So what I'm gonna do, I might just use a zip tie to keep it there. So far I have it running on the side. It looks a little bit of a mess right now. I'm just waiting for the sun to kind of go behind a cloud and then get on this side because it's been beating down pretty hard. Go underneath, add it all in here. And debating if I want to put it under this frame, if not put it here. Still thinking about it. But I know if I do it right here, it's gonna hide it. It's not really gonna light it up the ground. But you know what I mean. And as for some of y'all are wondering, this is the exhaust system I have. So I pretty much from this point on, I customized my own exhaust. I really didn't buy a whole exhaust system. So I have the ISR test pipes, the ISR Y pipe. Then I have an X pipe. I bought resonators years ago on Amazon because I was just trying to quiet down the noise. It was excessively loud. No complaints, they're still running good. I haven't had any issues with them. And then these right here, I bought these from a guy off of Facebook. It originally came from, I think, his G37. I don't know what they are. I want to say my guess is HKS replicas. Leave a comment below, correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I had all that welded, and then I added like a flange in the middle, and then so I can take these back off. But I'm undecided on what full exhaust system I really want to go with. But for now, I like the way this is set up. It gives a nice deep growl. No complaints. So yeah, this is what it looked like now. I got everything mounted up. Really loving the way it looked. Now, this part I'm still trying to figure out how I want to mount the back, but so far so good. Everything is coming along. Alright, so hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all can't see me. Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, next time.